Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Nina. I'm Nina and I'm so happy you are here today. Have you ever wanted to talk to someone in English but didn't know how to start the conversation? I got you. Maybe you were afraid of making mistakes, or maybe you just couldn't think of the right words. Well, don't worry. By the end of today's episode, you'll know exactly how to start a conversation in English with confidence. Let's get started. The first thing to remember is this: you don't need difficult English to have a great conversation. Simple English is enough. Imagine you are meeting someone for the first time. Instead of staying silent, you can simply smile and say, "Hi, my name is Nina. Nice to meet you." That's it. It's simple, polite, and friendly. After introducing yourself, you can ask a few easy questions. For example, where are you from? What do you do? How's your day going? These questions are very common in everyday English and they are a great way to keep the conversation moving. Now, let's talk about something many English learners struggle with. Sometimes people answer with only one word. For example, do you like coffee? Yes, that's not wrong, but it doesn't help the conversation continue. Instead, try saying something like, yes, I love coffee. I usually drink a cup every morning before I start work. Can you hear the difference? Now, the other person has something to respond to. They might ask what kind of coffee you like or where you usually drink it. That's how conversations grow naturally. Another great way to keep talking is by asking about hobbies. You can ask, what do you like to do in your free time? Or what kind of movies do you enjoy? What music do you listen to? What are your plans for the weekend? People usually enjoy talking about their interests, and you'll often discover that you have something in common. Now, let's talk about confidence. Many English learners tell me, Nina, I'm afraid of making mistakes. But here's something I want you to remember: making mistakes is not a sign that you are bad at English, it's a sign that you are learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The important thing is to keep speaking. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Here's a fun challenge for you. Today, after listening to this podcast, stand in front of a mirror for just 5 minutes. Pretend you are meeting someone new. Introduce yourself, ask yourself a few questions, answer them in complete sentences. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Before we finish, let's quickly review today's useful expressions. Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do? How's your day going? What do you like to do in your free time? What are your plans for the weekend? These simple questions can help you start hundreds of conversations in English. So don't wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking today, be confident, and be curious. And most importantly, enjoy the learning process. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share English with Nina with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next episode with another fun and practical English lesson. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every single day. Goodbye, everyone, and keep learning.